Naming things in English. Let's start. To name things, we say it is, or we use a short form, it's. For example, it is a book. It's a book. What is it? It's a book. It's a book. It's a coat. It's a coat. It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a computer. It's a computer. It's a table. It's a table. It's a cat. It's a cat. It is an elephant. It is an elephant. It is a bed. It is a bed. It is a zebra. It is a zebra. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. It is a lamp. It is a lamp. It's a tree. It's a tree. Questions and answers. Is it a book? Yes, it is a book. Yes, it's a book. Is it a book? No, it is a dog. No, it's a dog. Is it a cat? Yes, it is a cat. Yes, it's a cat. Is it a cat? No, it is a coat. No, it's a coat. Is it a horse? Yes, it's a horse. Is it a tree? No, it's a table. Is it a mouse? No, it's a horse. Is it a cat? No, it's a dog. Is it a bed? Yes, it's a bed. Is it a computer? No, it's an elephant. Is it a mouse? No, it's a cat. Is it a jacket? Yes, it's a jacket. Is it a jacket? No, it's a dog. Is it a book? No, it's a lamp. Is it a bed? No, it's a tree. Now it's your turn. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. For example, is it a bed? Yes, it's a bed. Is it a horse? Is it an elephant? Is it a cat? Is it a dog? Is it a horse? Is it a jacket? Is it a mouse? Very good. Let's practice some more. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. For example, is it a dog? No, it's a mouse. Is it a lamp? Is it a horse? Is it a coat? Is it a lion? Is it a bed? Is it a book? Is it a computer? Very good. Now you are able to name things.